Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this list. Lastly, we learned about detect and decode multifunctions. Today we are going to learn about detect and decode multifunctions. Actually, this detect and decode multi were just dealing with the positions of the QR, so they are not giving you the information message which the QRs are including, but these detect and decode functions are just gonna give you both the positions and also the messages which QRs are including. So this is the main difference between these functions. But also this is very important. For example, you need to think about the use case which you are dealing with in your project. For example, if you only need the positions, you must use this detect functions. But this is very important for the efficiency. If you do not need message information which QR are including, so why you need to use this? Because this is gonna decrease the speed, decrease the efficiency. So in that case you need to use the detect function. But if you need both the positions and the message which QR included, then you need to use this detect and decode functions. Okay, this is the main difference. And these functions are giving you all, especially this one. If you use this function, you will get all the messages, all the positions which how many QR inside the image, and also even it's giving you the transformed QRs, binarized QR at the end. Okay, we can switch to the code part. Actually, this is the code from the previous video. Basically, I just want to change this detect multifunction with the this one. This is also for only the case of the one QR at a time. So we can use that first of all. Detect and decode function, which is in here. So basically, the second function is the point still, and the last one is just gonna give you the transformed and binarized QR accordingly. So for that one, we just simply just need to define a method which is transformed QR, maybe we can say. Then we need to put into here. So basically we gave the points, but this is returning also the string which the QRs including. Then also maybe we can change here with string, and this is gonna be the maybe info we can write, and we can write this info message to the console, just but also at the same time I want to see my points. Maybe for this video we already talked about how to simply just draw the points, but I don't want to deal with that for this video. Just to continue faster, we can remove it, and I just want to see the info. Even points can stay maybe. Then also for the output, I want to create one more name window, which is gonna be my output. Then in there I want to see this transformed QR. Also I want to talk about this transformed QR because I believe there is a bug in here, or there is something wrong in the backend of the OpenCV. So just like this, run the code. Okay, so it crashed. Why it crashed? In the previous video also we talked about this one. If your image is including more than one QR, these singular functions, which is this not multi but singular function, so they are crashing. They are even, you maybe I'm repeating, but even you expect it to detect at least one. Okay, we are not expecting you will detect all the QRs, but at least give me the one, right? But it's not designed in that way. If an image including more than one is not working, it's crashing even. Yeah. So this image is including only one QR and it's working fine. It's giving me the which information, which message this QR is included. So it's giving me in the return type of this string, and it's written here. These are the positions, which is the which is in the main image coordinates in here, the rectangle coordinates, the QR corner coordinates, maybe better, because only for this example it's a rectangle, but most of the case it's not looks like rectangle. And we say transformed, but this is not actually transformed. How we can understand it? Maybe number 4 is gonna be good example. yeah, this is not directly transformed, I mean wrapped image. This is created from zero, I think, after getting the QR message or QR information. Then it's recreating a binary image, which is a very fine, is finest image at the end. So you see here which this QR is extracted into here, and this is the message this QR is including. So this is working in that way, and this transformed for the singular images is working fine. But if we convert it to the multi, the order is different, I think. So the first is needed the to take the input of the vector of string, which is gonna extract all the messages into here. So a string vector. So maybe we can call it messages. Just paste here, and the next is the points, and the last one is gonna be the vector of math. So just copy here, oops, sorry, and this is gonna be math, and this is gonna be QR images, maybe we can call here, and done. So this is gonna be boolean, just if any QR is in there or not, or is detected, maybe we can, oops, can write, and then just put here also. But I want to see the messages. Okay, just I want to see them all. Maybe we can write with QDebug. Oh, anyway, just simply okay, message inside messages, then just write message. Okay, then all is done. And I want to see QR images, the first element at least, because at least should be in our examples, at least there's one QR. I'm just checking anything is wrong, nothing. Okay, then yeah, so actually this is, let's try with one more. Yeah, for the previous one, why it didn't work, actually I don't really know, because it was working fine with the singular. Let's try with the second image. Okay, it's working fine again. This detect and decode is working fine for the singular QRs, of course, but I just want to check all the images also for the third one. Did it work fine? Yes, it worked fine, but just, yeah, what I'm talking about now, this QR images is not always created fine, this binarized image. I think that's why it crashes, because if you just comment here, you see it detected fine. What I think is just the messages, maybe of an empty message, maybe looks like, and since it's an empty message, maybe that's why it's not able to create the binarized QR. Then it crashes, because if we check this QR images, size also is gonna come as 0, I believe. You see it's 0. Even we detected QR, we get the points, but there is no message, looks like empty. Maybe we can also check message that is empty. Oops, empty. Let's see, is it empty? Oops, yeah, the second one is the just images size, the first one is 1, which is empty message. In the case of the message is empty, even you get the corner point of the QR, but it crashes, so that's why there's something we need to be careful. Also for the image, which is the fifth one, which is including 2 QRs, in here also the one QR is detected fine, as you see here, but the second is an empty message, looks like. Yeah, at least I see like that. Let's try to see how it looks like. Okay, so there is 2 detected. The first one is empty, and the second one is looks like have a message, have an information. So that is something we need to be careful. So for this image, at least we got a met, which is this one of here. But if you try to get the second QR, which doesn't have, it's gonna crash. So this transformed you can get, but for the empty messages it's not creating this QR. I don't know, I think this is a bug. Even it's empty, you should create the QR, I believe, at least. But anyway, for this video simply I just wanted to talk about this detect and decode function, detect and decode multifunction also. These are useful in the case of if you need both the position and the message which QRs are including, then you can choose these functions. Okay, I'm done for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.